The first and the best thing that I like and I love about Jam, that she's so smart. So being with a smart girl, it always make an easy life and easy love and easy journey, as you can handle a lot of things together. And that's the reason why I chose her as a wife.
When we first met, Hachem introduced me to Allah, and he showed me the right path. And from then, I felt to myself that he's the one, because he's pulling me to the right way. And that's the best part that I can't find anywhere.
I felt that this girl, she's so hard. It's not easy to get. And you know, man, they always get what something it's really hard. They don't like easy things. Because what comes easy, go easy.
I know Hachem is very matured, and sometimes I'm very immature. So he's always there, and hopefully he will always be here beside me, whatever happens. And I know he's very strong, and yeah, I wish he will always be on my side forever.
So at the end, all what I can say to Jam, that I love her, because I always consider her as a family, since I met her.
I love you, Hachem, all my life, now until forever.
Breathing gets hard to do. My lungs go black and blue. My heart breaks into two. I think that all I need is a little love, just a little love. I'm stuck in space and time, and I live a lonely life, but I'm trying to survive without the help of just a little love, just a little love, just a little love. Walking down this road, but don't know where it's leading me. Need someone to take me home. I'm on my knees praying, but no one hears a word I'm saying. I'm crying to the skies above, to the skies above. All I need is a little love, just a little love. Wake up to an empty bed, no shoulder to rest my head, no energy to move my legs. I know that all I need is a little love, just a little love, just a little love. No pictures upon the wall, nobody there to call. I need a miracle, or something to help me find a little love, just a little love, just a little love. Oh, yeah. Running down this road, but nobody is chasing me. Need someone to take me home.